Hi there! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of signing up on PropMall.co. First, open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Safari or Edge. Next, visit our website by navigating to www.propmall.co. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Sign Up menu item located at the top. You will see two sign-up packages, free and premium. Free package. This package includes basic features to get you started with PropMall at no cost. Premium package. This package offers advanced features and benefits to enhance your experience on PropMall. We strongly recommend choosing this option to gain enhanced access to PropMall's features. Choose the package that best suits your needs and follow the prompts to verify your WhatsApp phone number. You will receive sign-up information via WhatsApp. Then, fill in your details accurately and make sure all required fields are completed. Click Upload Photo, then choose your best photo and continue to fill in all the details. After all done, click Save Profile. With your new credentials, you are now ready to log into PropMall. That's it. Thanks for signing up with PropMall.
PropMall, built by agents, for agents.